Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you how I do my Bharatanatyam makeup. This isn't particularly a stage makeup look because for stage performances we usually use pancake makeup. This makeup look is more suitable for lighter performances or for when I'm shooting my dance videos. So let's get started. Make sure you cleanse your face properly before starting. Now I'm going to moisturize my face and make sure you moisturize well too. I'm using an Aqualogica moisturizer. After moisturizing, I'm going to apply a primer. Today I'm using the Mars Gripping Primer. Links to all the products I'm using will be available in the description box. I'm applying the primer mainly on my T-zone and then spreading it over almost all of my face. Now I'm using MAC foundation. I'm applying it in small dots and using a beauty blender to blend everything out. So make sure you apply it in dots. As I told earlier, if it was a stage makeup, I would have been using a pancake. But as it is for the lighter performances or to shoot my dance videos, I'm just using a liquid foundation. You can use any products of your choice. So I'm blending the foundation using a beauty blender. Make sure you apply the foundation all over your neck and ears too. So now I'm using L'Oreal concealer. I'm applying it to the high points of my face and around my eyes. And I'm also applying it around my mouth. Again, I will be using a beauty blender to blend everything out. So by dabbing motion, I have blended the concealer well. Now I'm using a compact to set my makeup. When it comes to setting dance makeup, we need to use quite a bit more powder compared to the regular makeup we usually do. So after using compact powder, I'm also using loose powder to set everything properly. Make sure you apply the loose powder all over your face, neck and ears. Now I'm using my NYB contour. Just I'm taking a little bit of product on my fingers and you just need to draw a line to create a nose contour. I'm doing this on both the sides and blending it out. I'm using a brush to blending this. Most people just keep the line as it is and don't blend it, but I like I like to prefer a more blended version. So now I'm using the contour on my jawlines and the rest of my face as well. So now I'm just applying my lip liner. I'm using a dark brown lip liner and for now I'm just going to leave it like this. Most people use dark brown or black lip liner, but I'm just using a dark brown lip liner as black would be too much. So I'm not wearing a lipstick right now. I'm just leaving it like this. Now I'm going to wear a blush. I'm using a peach colored blush. I usually don't like applying too much blush because I feel it can look unnatural. So I'm using just a little bit. I'm applying it to the high points of the cheeks. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using a thin angled brush for this. First, you need to comb your eyebrows using a spoolie brush. Then I'm using kajal to fill in my eyebrows. But you can also use a black eyeshadow or a brown eyeshadow. For dance makeup, you should make sure your eyebrows are well defined and a little more exaggerated than you would normally do them because that definition is really needed for the features to show up. So, first I'm going to draw a line to create a shape and define the boundaries of my eyebrows. Then I'll fill them. Once both of my eyebrows are done, I'm applying a highlighter just below my eyebrows. So now just I have done one of my eyebrows and so I'm going to do the another eyebrow as well. As I told earlier, you just need to draw a line, a boundary and then you can fill it. You need to really exaggerate your eyebrows and your eyes for dance makeup. So now let's move on to the eyes. I'm using a dark yellow colored eyeshadow. and applying it to my crease. Make sure you're blending the eyeshadow very well. I'm just applying it on my crease and blending it slowly. So once I apply this yellow color eyeshadow on my crease, I have done the other eyes on off camera too. So now I'm just going to take a purple colored eyeshadow. It's kind of a purplish or pinkish color. So I'm just applying it on outer corners of my eyes. I'm just placing the color there for now. Then I'm blending the purple eyeshadow and the yellow to create a smooth transition. After that, I'm applying a shimmery yellow shade to the inner part of the yellow eyeshadow to make the look stand out. Then I'm using the highlighter just below my eyebrows and also in the inner corners of my eyes. Now comes the main part, the eyes. I'm applying eyeliner and today I'm using a Maybelline eyeliner. First create a boundary and draw the outline just like I'm doing here. Once you are happy with the shape, you can fill it in. For dance makeup, the eyeliner and kajal should be applied in a thicker and more exaggerated way because the eyes are one of the most important features in classical dance makeup. You need that strong definition so your expressions and eye movements can be clearly seen from a distance. Create a wing at the outer edge and extend it as much as you prefer. Now I'm applying kajal to the lower eyelid and this should be thick as well. Then join it with the eyeliner from the upper lid. Next I'm using a white kajal. So while using a white kajal, I'm just going to draw it on the waterline of my eyes. So now you can clearly see the difference between both eyes. The way you apply your eyeliner and kajal can make a huge difference and help your eyes look bigger and more expressive on stage. I have also applied mascara. So mascara is optional. So I have done the other eye off camera. I'm applying nudish brown colored lipstick today. It's a kind of orangish color. And now I'm going to apply highlighters on high points of my cheeks and my face and also on my nose. So once I have applied my highlighter, I'm going to apply my bindi. So I'm just going to add my bindi. I've also added small dots using white eyeliner just below the bindi. So, and I have also added a black dot just below this. And with that, makeup is complete. I've also done my hair and put on all my jewelry. So this is my final look. As I have told earlier, this is just a very light makeup used for shooting videos or for lighter performances. Thank you so much for watching.